A friend of mine online asked me how to shoot pieces to camera inside a moving car. As a professional cameraman, I took that as a challenge. So buckle up and we'll try 3 different camera setups and work out what's best and what's easiest.
First up is the Insta360X3. I've mounted it on a suction cup, which I'm going to try all my cameras on because that is the best option. I did try a mount that I had on the visor, the sun visor, and it was wobbly as hell. So I've thrown it down here for the time being. The benefits of the Insta360X3 is that I can show you where I'm driving and then I can pan towards me. It's the same setup I have when I do vlogging out and about, and it works really well. So I'm hoping that this is going to be good enough. I'm really testing the system out because it's a really bright sunny day, so I'm not sure how it's going to cope because half my face might be in shadow and half might be in full sun at times. That's the Insta360X3. What do you think? Let's try something else. This next one is the DJI Pocket 2. It has been superseded by the Pocket 3, which I think is pretty good, but the processing is going to be similar. It's a camera that's got 3-axis gimbal, so it should take out some of the shake that I'm seeing. The only issue here is now I can't cut away to anything else. It's just me speaking, but that's okay as long as I'm engaging. It comes with a microphone, so you can just put it on your seatbelt, and that works really well. So it's a quick system.
The thing I did find was that microphone was really boomy. So I haven't used it in this video, but I'll play you a quick sample just so you can hear.
You don't need to connect an app. You just need to bolt this thing on and off you go. And create your amazing vlog. I think this is probably the most testing situation you will get because of the change in light. Let me show you this setup. This is still on this bracket, but now it's hanging down. It does have a screen when I can see myself, so that's not bad. And it's pretty neat. I can still see the road. I can see it vibrating a lot. That's because it's quite long. So any bumps are a bit amplified, but maybe it can cope with that. I'm recording all of these videos in 4K, so then I can put them in post and crop them to vertical if I'm doing an Instagram story. But vlogging on the move is not too bad. What do we think? I think it might be blowing out some of the highlights. As long as I'm getting my point across and the microphone works all right, then yeah, that's all right. I'm gonna switch over to the next one. Now this setup is the easiest by far. It is just your phone. I mean, I've got my Rode Wireless Pro mic on, but I can see myself really clearly. I can put it really close to the mirror so it doesn't feel dangerous. It doesn't really block my view that much. And it removes the friction out of making videos because you only need your phone. The mount that I've got is one that has a magnetic back on it. So literally you could leave it in your car, go plonk, put a mic on, and off you go. Having such a big screen does drag your eye to looking here rather than there, which is at the camera. So that could be a thing. But it's just something to get used to. I mean, you're not going to do that much eye contact during a video because it's dangerous. Right, I'll go back to Indoor Chris at the edit to see which one is actually best.
Thanks, Chris. For me, there's a clear winner. I'd use my iPhone with the Rode Wireless Pro, as it comes out of the camera really well and it's easy to use. If I needed some crazy shots, then I'd use the Insta360 or throw a drone up, but that's taking it to a different level. go out and get shooting. And if you need any more help, you might like this video. And if you've enjoyed this one, give me a like and help me grow my channel. Oh, and head over to Brand Video Pro for more in-depth help. See you on the next one.